Silence is your ultimate power, but there are 7 situations in life where staying silent isn't strength, it's destruction. If you stay quiet here, people will walk all over you. 1. When someone disrespects your boundaries. If someone deliberately crosses your line or insults you under the guise of a joke, do not stay silent. Your silence gives them permission to do it again. 2. When you know the truth, but a lie is being accepted. Staying quiet when a lie is spreading makes you an accomplice. Speak the truth, even if your voice shakes. 3. When a defenseless person is being exploited. Watching injustice happen to someone weak and choosing to remain silent is a betrayal of human character. True strength protects others. 4. When you are negotiating your worth. Whether in business or relationships, never let others undervalue your time and effort. If you don't speak up for your worth, no one else will. 5. When someone ignores your no. No is a complete sentence. If someone pushes past your refusal, silence is seen as submission. Speak up and reinforce your boundary immediately. 6. When people mock your vision or goals. When small-minded people laugh at your big dreams, don't just absorb it. Your silence shouldn't mean agreement. Stand firm and let them know your vision is non-negotiable. 7. When your loved ones need your support. When the people who trust you need you to stand by them, your silence can cause a wound that never heals. Show up and speak up for them. Stoicism and silence do not mean being a bystander to your own life. A true master knows when to hold their peace, and exactly when to use their voice as a weapon. Protect your peace, but always defend your self-respect. Which of these 7 situations have you faced the most? Comment below with strength if you are ready to speak up.